So I have this problem. Out of all the noises in the city, there's been one that's been sticking out to me the most over the past few months. And I know what you're thinking. Is it the construction, the people yelling, more construction, the trains? No, it's something a little bit more niche than that. It's my desk chair. Don't get me wrong, it's a great chair. I found it on the streets in the city a few months ago and it's worked great. But the noise coming off of it is similar to nails on a chalkboard for me. So my plan today is a simple one. Fix the noise. Okay, first let's try an obvious one, WD-40. In all transparency, I'm hoping this doesn't fix it because that would bring the video to an end rather quickly and it would also make me feel a little bit like an idiot for being this easy of a fix over all these months. The next step would be to try and take apart the chair piece by piece and find out where the noise is coming from. This should be easy enough, right? Right. Now the next rational step is to build a 1/12 model of the chair from scratch and be able to identify and show you guys the issue a little bit more clearly. And I know what you're probably thinking, do you have a lot of experience working with clay and wiring and painting? No. This is actually my first time at all three, so my goal here is really just to make it look as closely like a chair as I can. And the final result is something like this. And here is the piece that's been giving me the most trouble from what I can figure out. And I know what you're thinking, the video's about to end, so how did I wrap this up? How did I fix the chair? And that's kind of the thing. The only way to fix this chair is to basically replace the entire top half of the chair. So that's not really something I'm willing to do right now. So I guess the lesson in all this is not everything in life is able to be fixed, and sometimes that's okay. But God, I hate that sound.